YouTubers, Brian Paragimian, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. We're a little over an hour before the opening bell, and right now we have the Dow futures trading up 170, 180. We've got the Nasdaq futures trading up 24, 25 points. We've got the S&P futures trading up around 20, and it certainly looks like a significantly higher opening here. Again, I think this here is a shorting opportunity. We have all this ahead of an announcement that, you know, the United States is looking to purge $1 trillion in toxic bank assets. Japan has signaled that they're going to do some more stimulus. You have a top-ranking Obama administration economist saying that, you know, the United States are going to do whatever they need to do so the banks can start lending again. That's all fine and dandy, but that doesn't mean the problems are all solved and all taken away. Again, another another initial reaction to what they're talking about. China says they're going to continue buying debt here. So a lot of positive things we're hearing this morning. That's the reason we do have the futures right now drifting as I'm talking up 18.5 points now. I think this presents a shorting opportunity in the overall stock market. I think the financials, you know, are going to be a continued short. Look, a lot of this is great news, but it doesn't mean the problems are completely over and completely solved. You're going to get this type of reactive move to the upside, but again, we're going to look to take this here, and we're going to look to short stocks into this push higher. This is the kind of gap I don't want any part of. If they can take and push this and move it straight to the upside and never pull back from here, great, God bless them, but I'm not going to get involved with that. I'm looking to be a short seller in this type of move up on the open. Now they might be able to push them here a little bit more, but I'm going to start to get my feet wet again on that short side. A couple things I'm going to look at shorting here as I look at a few charts here is Freeport-McMoRan. Looks like it's a little stretched here. I've got a gap coming in here on the charts going back 2 days to 38.02. So I think that gap gets filled here this week. Another stock is I'm going to pull the chart up here. I think Apollo, ticker symbol APOL, Apollo Group, that looks like it's getting a little stretched in here. I'm going to look to be a short seller of that. I think the stock here, you know, coming off its lows of $62, now trading up here over 75. I think I'm going to look to short the stock here, especially I'm going to look to probably short this one here early on. Now, having said that, you know, because you're having to take a look at these updates here that I bring to you early on, you don't know exactly what we're doing and when we're doing it. Another one I'm going to talk about right now is AEM, Agnico Eagle Mines. That's a gold stock. Speaking of gold, that's down now $6 an ounce. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial so you can see everything in a real-time live setting, full transparency. The 3-day free trial is free. You know, this way here you can actually see what we're doing, when we're doing it, because when I bring you these updates are always delayed. Now, of course, this here is, you know, spot on because you're going to get this before the open. But right now, you know, my inclination is to go short an AEM, an FCX, or maybe an APOL, but who knows? That could change before the market open. It depends, you know, how these stocks are acting and all things of that nature. So if you want to get the real up-to-date information here, go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial. It is absolutely free. You know, and once you like our site and service, which I know you will, from then on out, it's only $10.99 a month. That's right, $10.99 a month to see real-time live trading. Once you become a free trial member, you can go ahead and take a look at our swing trades. You know, our records speak for themselves. I think you'd be very impressed. Do yourself a favor. Go to our site and sign up for the 3-day free trial and give it a try. Your worst case scenario is you don't like it. Best case scenario is you're like, geez, this is really great for $11 a month basically. I get all this. I know you'll love it. You know, folks, thanks for tuning in. I think this is another great shorting opportunity here. You know, look, we're still in a bear market. We're still in a bear market in these higher openings. You have to be a short seller, and you can't get excited and go goo-goo that the banks are moving to the upside. It's great, but you know what? You took a while for this problem to happen. The decline, it took a while for things to develop, and it took a while for this decline to evolve itself. It's going to take. We're going to have starting pains and growing pains here in all these rallies. So again, this higher opening, you have to look to be a short seller. If you want to know exactly what we're doing precisely and up to the minute, go to our site, become a member. Thanks for tuning in. I will be back mid-morning or late morning with another comment.